Tim Geithner over the weekend was talking about the strength of the economy and this bull market that we've been in for a long time. And he said the only thing we have to avoid is dumb mistakes, of course. What could be a dumb mistake that we collectively could make, either from a policy decision or from a market decision?
Well, I think there are a lot of mistakes you can always make. I think if there's a really dramatic change in the tax area, if the Democrats win, for example, if a lot of the things that some of their candidates are talking about, I think that would be sort of a disincentive. It could have a certain psychological shock value, and logic would say that would slow an economy. That's one of the things you could do. The other thing is that the Fed could increase interest rates. I haven't seen for at least a decade a Fed that is unresponsive to the real world, and maybe even earlier. And people worry so much about the Fed doing the wrong thing. And even if you start making, a mistake and correct it almost right away, which is what happened as a result of the October 3 response, that the Fed is the guardian of the system. They're not the enemy of the system. And if we have a lot of wage inflation or something else, which seems somewhat unlikely, and they start increasing interest rates, most probably it's because it's a smart thing to do. And it's only when they get out of a cycle where they think something's happening that isn't, and then prosecute it all the way. I tend not to think the people there are in the business of making mistakes.